know, today my life makes sense, but the minute you think you know everything, at that moment you know nothing. And so I was in India, and I was teaching a course on leadership in India, and I had gone to this university, and I spoke there. And after I left, I got back to the hotel, and I realized I didn't have my wallet. And so I called the hotel, and I said, "Can you please bring the car back? They have my wallet." And they said, "I'm sorry, sir, we don't have a car. That was a taxi we used." And so they tried calling the taxi company, nobody answered the phone. They tried again, and nobody answered the phone. And I became a little cynical. I went from hopeful to skeptical to cynical, and I started thinking the worst of people. And of course, they said, "Well, my wallet is gone." By midnight, they called and said, "We're still trying. He's not answering the phone," the taxi cab driver. But at 2 in the morning, they called and said he answered his phone. His phone was off. He's coming back to your hotel with your wallet. So I get dressed and I run downstairs, and a man meets me, and the bellman translates for me in India in the dialect. And I ask the man, and I get my wallet, and everything is in my wallet. Everything, my passport, my money, my credit cards, it's all there. And I reach into my wallet, and there's $70 US. I asked the man through a translator, "What do you make a month?" He says about 2,500 rupees, which at that time was about $70 US. So I reach out and I say, "Let me give this $70 to you. This is my way of saying thank you." And the man says, "No." I said, "No, I don't think you understand. I have 1 month's salary for you. I want to say thank you. Here's $70. And the man says to the translator, "No." And I said, "There must be a translation problem here. I'm talking about paying you. I'm talking about giving you a month's worth of your salary." One more time, he said, and this time he became a little visibly angry. He said, "I told you no. I didn't bring you your wallet because I wanted a reward. I brought you your wallet because it's your wallet." Now, this may not sound like an incredible story, but think what would have happened if I had lost my wallet in a taxi in New York City or a big city anywhere in the world. Think about the chances of me getting my wallet back. Think about it and be honest with yourself now. This is a slum, as they call it, in India. So I said to the man, "What can I do to be thankful to you? What can I do to say thank you?" He said, "The next time you're in India, come to my house and have tea. Be my friend."